Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a master bathroom tour. This is an apartment, so it's a pretty small master bathroom, but I wanted to show you how I decorated it. The apartment was all in neutral colors. This is the flooring throughout, and even in the kitchen, the cabinets are this color. And so are the counters. It was perfect for the color scheme I wanted to go with, which is one of the reasons why I chose this apartment. So what I have done is different variations of the color gray and silver, and then I just add pops of color that I can take out and change as the seasons and holidays change. If I want to do Christmas colors or pops of pink for spring, or different colors for fall, I can do that just by changing out the towels or the flowers. So let's start with these bath mats. These are from Walmart. I believe they were $12.99 each. They are by Better Homes and Gardens, and they are memory foam. When I went, they had two colors. They had this charcoal gray and they had a lighter silver gray. And they are super plushy and comfortable and soft. My son was mad that I didn't get some for his bathroom. So when I went back, they were gone and I haven't seen them since. So hopefully you are able to find them in your Walmart because they are delightful to step on. Okay, so to the countertop here, I have a really small bathroom counter. Okay, so I got this tray, and actually everything you see on the tray as well, from Ross. I wasn't able to find a full matching set, so I combined two sets together and they came out perfect. I mean, no complaints. This is a toothbrush holder, but I don't like the look of toothbrushes being out, so I put Q-tips in it instead, and this was $5.99. Couldn't find the matching soap dispenser. I don't remember how much this was, but I think it was $5.99 or $4.99, something in that range. And this one is, I think, for the toothpaste tube, but I don't like the look of that either, so I store my cotton rounds in it. And this was $3.99, I believe. Yes, $3.99 at Ross. I think the tray might have been $5.99 or something like that, $3.99. It wasn't very much. These flowers here are from the Dollar Tree. I already had the vase, so I just added that as a pop of color. And then if you've watched other DIY videos I've posted, you might remember this mirror. It used to be gold. I spray painted it silver and added a rhinestone ribbon around the border from the Dollar Tree. This bathroom doesn't have medicine cabinets, so I just put it in the place that the medicine cabinet would have been. Worked out perfectly. Okay, so moving on to this side. This soap dish matches the soap dispenser I just showed you, and I don't ever put soap in these because I don't like how slimy and nasty they get. So I just put acrylic gems in there from the Dollar Tree as a decorative touch. I thought that was super cute. I believe the soap dish was like $3.99 at Ross. Yeah, $3.99. This candle holder here, super cute, I love it. It was from the 99-cent only store, however, it costed $3.99, I believe. 99-cent only store has been selling stuff for more than 99 cents for about 5 years now. I think they need to change their name. But I thought it was a good find because it fits a Bath & Body Works candle, and if you get one of their candle holders, you're gonna pay at least $14.99 or more. And I love how it looks when the lights are out and it's just glowy, and you can't really see it on the camera, but those gems, those acrylic pieces in there, they do sparkle. It's really pretty. Okay, now moving on, this is a very quick, simple DIY from the Dollar Tree. This is an ice bucket. plastic ice bucket, and I just took a bunch of their faux flowers and just put them in there. Very inexpensive, but still decent looking flower arrangement, just for the bathroom. I wanted something that if for some reason it was knocked off, it wouldn't break. This wall art here is from Burlington Coat Factory. It was $19.99. And I have the matching toilet brush that matches the soap dispenser and the soap dish. I think that was $7.99. Let's see. $8.99 from Ross. Comes with a brush and nothing fancy or special here, just a toilet brush, a toilet roll holder. Okay, one of my favorite things ever, these shower curtain hooks I got from Amazon. They're diamonds, I love them, they're so pretty. And the shower curtain is also from Amazon. I think it's called Popular shower curtain. If you look up Glam shower curtain, it'll come up. It has the word popular in the title. But it was about $30. And the matching towel set was about $27 when I bought it. They have a full set on there with toilet brush holder, the Kleenex box, the trash can. It's like $100 and something. I didn't really want all of that, so I went ahead and got them separately. And then I just put a lilac or some kind of purple lavender towel behind it just for the pop of color. This clock was also from Burlington Coat Factory. I don't remember how much it was, but I think it was like $14.99. It just matches the theme, matches the shower curtain hooks. And then the last thing here is the towel hook thing. I don't know what you call it. Goes over the door. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. I don't remember, I think it was $10.99 or something like that. Was it Burlington or Ross? I think it was Ross. I have another one that's similar in my other bathroom, and that one was from Burlington, I think. But I thought it was cute, matching the theme of the diamonds. And that is it. There's another quick look at the bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom. It's just an apartment, but I like it. It's cute. There I am. Hi. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by.